Filtralite has ideal properties for use in dual media filters for treatment of drinking water. Many different system solutions are applied for this type of plants. As an example, the process at Fredrikstad Waterworks in Norway is used. The main parts of the plant are adding of coagulant, stirrers, sedimentation tanks, and dual media filters. As mentioned earlier in this film, Filtralite is used as a top layer over finer Filtralite. Compared to other filter media used for this purpose, Filtralite is very porous. This results in a very low head loss across this part of the filter. The material's porosity also gives a high storage capacity for suspended solids. These properties lead to considerably longer filter runs than for comparable filter media. The retained flux will after a while saturate the filter, and the turbidity out of the filter will be too high. The filter then has to be stopped for backwashing. This is carried out by flushing water and air up through the filter. The most recommendable way of cleaning the filter is with air and water in combination. A recommended backwash procedure for this is first to lower the water level to about 10 centimeters above the filter media, and then flush with water at a velocity corresponding to 40% of the minimum fluidization velocity, in combination with air at a speed of about 30 to 40 meters per hour. The filter materials are fluidized and the flux retained in the filter will be loosened. Water and air are flushed through the filter until the water level is about 30 to 40 centimeters below the overflow. Air and water is then stopped. The filter stands still for around 2 minutes to allow the remaining air to bubble out of the water. Finally, the filter is flushed by water alone for a period of 6 to 10 minutes, with a velocity giving an expansion of approximately 20 to 30%. The water from the backwash goes to overflow and is transported to sludge treatment. Alternatively, it can be led to a wastewater treatment plant. When the backwash procedure is finished, the filter is put back in operation again.